We live in a globalized world. We are all interconnected through trade, media, and the internet more than ever. Businesses and organizations are internationalizing their workplace culture. If you want to be successful, it's vital to see and understand how the world works and adjust yourself to when you are exposed to the global marketplace as a global professional. Choosing qualifications that are globally recognized is key to gaining an edge in this globalized world. Bring your career ambitions to life with ACCA qualifications. Recognized and respected across the globe with more than 219,000 members and 527,000 students in 179 countries. ACCA provides you with the ability to choose an exciting career path towards the industry of your choice, anywhere in the world with global academic partnerships. During the ACCA journey, you will gain a BSc degree from Oxford Brookes University UK, and an MSc degree from the University of London alongside ACCA membership with HEC equivalence. As educators in an increasingly global society, we realized this adaptability and became Karachi's and Sindh's only Platinum Status approved learning partner of ACCA Global, and set the benchmark for exceptional service by producing consistently high pass rates that exceed the global passing averages. ACCA admissions is open at all of our 3 differentiated campuses in Karachi, with the live online and recorded lectures. Come and see all that we have on campus and online for you as you begin your journey of learning after your intermediate and A-levels exams.